Hello friends, welcome back to study panel. This is Devendra Sejala from KV Trangadra. In today's video, we shall start a part 2 of chapter 8, a treat for mosquitoes. If you have not seen our part 1, please click on the link over here and watch that. Now let us move on to the part 2. Anemia. What's that? Aarti, you know, I also had to get blood test done. But they took a syringe full of blood. The blood test showed that I had anemia. Rajat, what is that? Aarti, the doctor said that there is a less hemoglobin or iron in the blood. The doctor gave some medicines to give me strength. He also said that I should eat jaggery, amla and more green leafy vegetables because these have irons. Now see, for anemia, the doctor will take a syringe and will fill up the injection with blood, and that blood will be tested, and from that they will find that our hemoglobin is up to the mark or not, iron level of blood is up to the mark or not. After that, they find that in Aarti's blood they were having less hemoglobin or iron. So doctor also gave her some medicines. Now doctor also advised Aarti to eat jaggery, amla and more green leafy vegetables because these have iron. उसके अंदर जो है आयरन की मात्रा ज्यादा होती है. Nancy, how can there be an iron in our blood? Obviously, this question is a very tricky question. No, how can we find iron in our blood? हमारे खून में आयरन यानी हम लोग लोहा सोचते हैं, नहीं, लेकिन लोहा नहीं, वो लोह तत्व है जो हमारी बॉडी में भी पाया जाता है. दैट आयरन इज डिफरेंट. Jaskirat, there was something about this in the newspaper yesterday. Now Jaskirat has read something about this iron and anemia in the newspaper yesterday. Rajat, laughing, so then you ate iron or what? रजत हंस के कह रहा है क्या फिर तुमने वो लोहा खाया कि नहीं खाया? Aarti, silly, this is not the iron used to make these keys. I don't know exactly what it was. After I ate lot of vegetables and whatever the doctor had said, my hemoglobin went up. See, doctor advised her to eat green and leafy vegetables, and after that, the hemoglobin of Aarti went up. Let us see. See, this was a newspaper cutting. Anemia common in Delhi school. Let us read about this newspaper cutting. 17th November 2007. Thousands of children studying in the municipal corporation schools in Delhi suffer from anemia. This is affecting both the physical as well as mental health. Due to anemia, children do not grow well and their energy levels are low. This also affects their ability to study properly. Now, health checkups are being done in the schools and health cards are being made for all the children. Anemic children are also being given iron tablets. See, this survey was made and it was published in the newspaper on 17th November 2007. Now, thousands of children who were studying in Delhi Municipal Corporation schools, they were suffering from anemia. Now, what are the side effects? What happened to our body when anyone is suffering from anemia? That the energy level of that person are very low and their ability to study is also affects due to anemia. Now अब जो है उनका हेल्थ चेकअप भी हो रहा है और उनको हेल्थ के कार्ड भी दिया जाते हैं. And those children who were having anemia were also given iron tablets to recover from the anemia. उनको iron tablets भी दिया गया ताकि वो anemia से जल्दी recover हो जाए. Tell. Now see here, this is a clinical pathology report of Aarti. This report was taken on 26th June, 20th June, and this was taken on 15th September. Now, here you can see the level of hemoglobin. और आरती को क्या हुआ था? एनीमिया हुआ था. आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, दोनों में लिखा हुआ है. Now, hemoglobin was 8 gm per deciliter on 20th June, and on 15th September it was 10.5 gram per deciliter. हमारा नॉर्मल हीमोग्लोबिन जो इंसान का होना चाहिए वो 12 से 16 होना चाहिए। इसकी रेंज में अगर हमारा हीमोग्लोबिन है इसका मतलब वो अच्छा माना जाता है। लेकिन पहली रिपोर्ट जब आरती ने निकलवाई तो उसका हीमोग्लोबिन कितना था? 8 था। दूसरी रिपोर्ट जब उन्होंने लगभग 3 महीने बाद निकलवाई तो उसका हीमोग्लोबिन जो था आरती का 10.5 था, 10 एंड हाफ था। अब भी उसका 12 से तो कम ही है हीमोग्लोबिन। Now see, let us solve these questions. Look at Arti's blood report. Find out the minimum required hemoglobin. See, minimum required hemoglobin is 12 to 16 gram per deciliter. Yes, the minimum hemoglobin level required in blood is 12 gram per deciliter. See, this is DL means deciliter. We'll also discuss about this. What is deciliter? How much did Arti's hemoglobin go up and how long did it take for that? Now, see, in first report, the hemoglobin of Arti was, let us see here. In first report, it is 8. In the second, it is 10.5. So, if we add 2.5 in 8, then we will get 10.5. So, in 3 months, Arti's hemoglobin increased by 2.5. It took about 3 months. Now here we will also discuss DL means deciliter. GM, we all are familiar with this GM. GM means gram, and DL, it is new for us. DL means deciliter. Now what is deciliter? It is a unit which is used to measure liquid quantity. 1 deciliter is equal to 100 milliliter. We all are aware about milliliter and liter. जो है 1 डेसीलीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 मिलीलीटर होता है, एंड वी ऑल नो दैट 1000 मिलीलीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 लीटर. नाउ what does the newspaper report say about the problem caused by anemia? See, जिसको एनीमिया होता है उसको क्या क्या दिक्कतें आती है, वो न्यूज़पेपर में क्या लिखा था? Let us read about it. The newspaper report says that anemia affects both physical and mental health of children. Due to anemia, children do not grow properly and their energy levels are down. This affects their study as well. वो बच्चे जो है वो वीक दिखते हैं, ज्यादा हेल्दी नहीं होते हैं, उनका एनर्जी लेवल कम होता है, और एनर्जी लेवल कम होने की वजह से उनकी पढ़ाई में भी बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टर्बेंस रहता है. Have you or anyone in your family ever needed to get a blood test? When and why? See, this question you need to answer by your own. You can ask this question to your parents, your grandparents, that anyone in your family have ever needed to get a blood test. अगर किसी का blood test हुआ है, कब और क्यों, वो भी आपको पता करना है. Find it out from your parents. What was found out by the blood test? उसमें क्या मलेरिया पाया गया, एनीमिया पाया गया, क्या क्या चीजें पाई गई है वो हमें बतानी है. This also you have to do it by your own. Have you had a health checkup in your school? What did the doctor tell you? See, in our school also, every 6 months we conduct a health checkup for all the students of Kendriya Vidyalaya. Yes, there was a health checkup camp in my school. The doctor said that I was fit and healthy. ज़्यादातर बच्चे जो fit and healthy होते हैं, बहुत कम बच्चे जो होते हैं जिनको एनीमिया और कुछ अलग symptoms पाए जाते हैं. Now find out. Ask a doctor or elders about the food items which contain irons. अब देखो आयरन्स कैसा होता है, जैसे फूड में हमें विटामिन्स मिलते हैं, प्रोटीन्स मिलते हैं, वैसे आयरन भी हमें फूड में मिलता है. नाउ यू कंसर्न विथ योर एल्डर्स अबाउट द फूड आइटम्स विच कंटेन्स आयरन्स. मतलब ऐसी कौन कौन सी फूड आइटम्स है जिसमें आयरन्स पाया जाता है. लेट अस सी सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स ओवर हियर. इन अर्लियर आल्सो वी हैव सीन दैट इन ग्रीन एंड लीफी वेजिटेबल्स वी फाइंड द अमाउंट ऑफ आयरन इन ample quantity. Let us see the green leafy vegetables like spinach, lettuce, cabbage contain irons. Let us see about the picture. This is spinach, we all are aware about it. This is lettuce and this is cabbage. So you can find ample amount of iron in these leafy vegetables. Thank you.